trouble drawing animal mouths. Happy, angry, happy. Well, in this video we are going to show you how to draw doggo, tiger, animal mouths in general, so keep watching for more. Let's go! So when we have a doggo, let's go, doggo, 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 nose here, nose. We got here big lips, and there's not a lot of muscles here in the front. There's not too much muscle. There is, but not too much. That's why it's always falling down like this. It goes a little bit upwards because, you know, there is getting close to more muscles. And the lips of doggos are dark brown or black, just like tiger's one. Here, meat bending, yes, meat bending, meat falling down, yeah. Whiskers, yeah, from here there are some points that get the whiskers. What if I was going to draw the mouth open? Remember, meat's going to bend even stronger, okay? It's bending here. Do you see? A C right here. Do you see the C? C, C. Okay, life is made out of C's. Close to the bigger one is small, and it gets really big. And this part here is normally to break bones. The small one we don't see, we really don't see it that much. And it starts to get bigger. Here, remember to follow the bones. Here, big bone, big bone, big bone. So here, also big bone. Do you see here? The mouth. Yeah, you can see it. You can see it. Always follow the perspective. Remember, if it's too hard to process what is happening, remember to think like, oh, it's just a rectangle. It's just a rectangle. Okay, the tongue. Gigantic tongue. But this one is contracting, like a cat hissing, you know? Like a fowl here. And let me show on the tiger. There's not much difference, canines to felines, just like the size of the muzzle. Or the size of the teeth. Just changes mainly the size of things, just that. See here? Big muzzle. Big muzzle. And something that I really need to talk is that the canine, the biggest teeth in Wolfo's dogs, is pretty close to the rest. But on big cats, it got a nice difference of space. It got a nice difference. Different from dogs and wolves, it's going to fall down like insanely. Like, it's going to just go like big, huge, gigantic lip. But it's not only the lip, of course. We can see here that it's the mark of it. But if we make it even closer, we can see that the lip is gigantic too. Oh my, this is gigantic. Look at the size of it. Here, the difference between the chin, big, huge chin, huge chin. And the difference in teeth. Well, felines got like a frontal line here of teeth. small teeth and gigantic things on the side. Remember, get closer and then go big. See, big circle, and here was getting small and then big circle. Okay, the tongue is gigantic, but like gigantic. I mean that. I mean that. It even bends in the sides. You see that? It even bends. And remember, here nobody needs to get too much attention. Nobody. No, 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 no. People are not going to look there. People are going to look in the places that make them look. Where there is light. Big head, and then the triangle just gets smaller. Okay, rectangle here, and make the rectangle getting bigger on the side, okay? I mean going up. And now the circle of life is closed, okay? Circle. And then C. But here we start to go like totally a straight line, okay? And then when you get here, close to the place that you made the smile, you're just gonna, whoop, go up. So the format, the teeth go outside and they can just regrow out of nowhere. I remember seeing that in a documentary. They can just regrow and regrow because they lose their teeth a lot. So yes, I start drawing random teeth. And it can go in any direction. I'm not joking. I'm not joking. It can go in literally any direction. Here a lot of black. You guys have trouble with when do I put the shadow? When do I put the light? It's simple. Look at the reference. Ask yourself, is it equal? Your answer is probably going to be no. So ask yourself more closely. Okay, let's pick one simple detail. This teeth. What is my teeth lacking that is good on this one? Oh, I see a gradient here. Here is brighter, here is darker. I could add that on my teeth. So I start adding that on my teeth. See? See? It's little by little. We need to notice what is missing and what is already there. My shadow in the white fur is warm. It creates a nice contrast between some blues that I use, a gray blue. Some of my gray is a little bit into blue, so using a shadow that's warm, it creates an amazing contrast. Right now, I'm going to use the smudge tool to make the fur look good. This tool right here, 89% strength. And now I'm going to use only a little bit of white, okay? Do not abuse white. Don't abuse white. Gray is still better than white, and dark gray is still better than black. Most of your painting needs to be focused on the gray scale, but on specific points that you want to give even more contrast, you want people looking at that place, yeah, go for strong white or strong black. Depends on your strategy to grow. Here, sunset colors. Let's go. Remember, scales one by one. One by one, if you wanna make a realistic artwork, of course. I do think if these 3 beautiful mouths help you, why not share with a friend? Or also check out my Instagram if you have special questions and you want me to help you, or get in our Discord group for us all, a community to help you, or get in the Twitch stream for us to help you. We can help you so many ways. Why not using it and abusing it? And also, why not subscribing to this beautiful channel and get even more quality content, quality free videos for you to grow your art. Oh yeah, remember to hit the like button, subscribe, and comment what you would like to see here. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye, champ! Remember, you are awesome!